Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Casio G-Shock Features, and today I bring these two Casio watches. As you can see, this is square model. The model number of this watch is W218H4B and the model number of this watch is AE1000W. Today I bring these two watches and comparing that which is the better between these two. As we can see, first the size is almost same, no difference, but here if we compare about the digital, this is little bigger, this is also big, but here some more features is showing here instead of this one. And check the belt of this one and check the belt of this one is almost same, no difference, both are same. This one made in China and this one made in Thailand. Just check it out one by one, which one we feel good better between these two. First check it out this one. First, if you can see here, 10-year battery life and water resistance is 100 meter. 5 alarm is there, LED light is there, and world time is there also, and map also, and is made in Thailand. First, how to set the time in this one, just hold it this adjust button for few seconds and you can see T1 time 1. You can set it by the country code here. You can see here country code is mentioning whatever country you want, you can set it and press adjust button and it's automatically set by the country code. Then there is one world time also is there in this watch. There is alarm also, and as you can see here, alarm 1 mentioned and total 5 alarm is there. Another, there is a timer also, stopwatch also there, and the normal time. This is total in this watch, and see the belt quality also very nice. You can, yeah, it's moving, not breakable. On this side also, thickness also nice, quality also nice. Now come to this watch, how we feel. Press it this button for set time. Alarm is there, stopwatch is there, and time. And this one normal, we press this button, then press it normal, whatever time you want to be set, you can set it, and after all finish you can set it. And in this one 50 meter water resistance. And this one no 10-year battery life, and this one made in China. And the light quality also, yeah, light quality nice. And check about the thickness of the belt is also good. It's almost same like a AE1000. If we talk about the belt, both watch belt is same, different features, and this is round and this is square, but some people like a square also. It's depending how you like. This one here also inside designs also there is mention, and here double time mention, here single time mention, and here map also given, here no map. For me, I prefer this one. If you compare between these two, I prefer this one because in this one you will get more features and it look little bigger than this one also. Then for me, I like this one. Please comment me which one you like it, or if you have any question regarding to the any Casio G-Shock watches, you can ask me, comment me on below and ask any type of question. I will reply you, and please message me on my WhatsApp, I will reply you. Okay, I hope you like my video. If you have any question regarding to the any Casio or G-Shock watches, please message me and subscribe my channel and like and share it. Thank you and have a nice day.